In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Suno AI songs longer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a track you've already generated and extend it smoothly with lyrics that fit the vibe and structure of your original song. First, head to Suno.com, the AI music generator. Give the page a moment to load so all the features appear properly. You'll be working from your existing creations, so make sure you're on the official site and ready to access your songs. Next, click on Library. This is where all your generated tracks live. You'll see your songs listed with artwork and basic details. Hovering over a song usually reveals more options. You'll use those to extend a specific track without starting from scratch. Choose the song you want to make longer and click on the three dots next to it. Those dots open a small menu with actions related to that track. Pick a song that still has room to grow. Maybe it needs a second verse, a bridge, or a longer outro to feel complete. From that menu, click on Extend. This tells Suno you want to build on the current song rather than create a brand new unrelated piece. Extending keeps the original style, tempo, and mood as consistent as possible, so your new section blends naturally with what you already have. When prompted, click on Overwrite. This applies the extension to the existing project, replacing the old, shorter version with the longer one in the same slot. If you want to keep the original separately, duplicate it beforehand. Overwrite is great when you're confident and want a clean, updated version in your library. Now, extend the lyrics. This is where the magic happens. Keep the theme, perspective, and tone consistent. If your song already has a chorus, reuse it to anchor the new sections. Add a fresh verse or a bridge that introduces a twist or deeper emotion. Match syllable counts and line lengths to the original sections so the rhythm stays tight. Avoid forcing too many words into a single line. Aim for natural phrasing that a vocalist could deliver comfortably. If you're stuck, mirror the structure of your first verse for flow and rhyme, then vary a few key details to keep it interesting. Finally, click on Create. Suno will generate the extended audio based on your updated lyrics and the song's established style. Watch for the progress indicator, then listen from start to finish to confirm the transitions feel seamless. If something's off, tweak the lyrics for pacing or clarity and run. Create again until the extension lands just right, and that's how you make your Suno AI songs longer with confidence and control.